The Huawei Mate X6 represents the pinnacle of innovation in foldable smartphone technology, offering a perfect blend of cutting-edge design, powerful performance, and advanced features. This ultra-slim device is engineered for portability and elegance, measuring just 9.9 mm thick when folded and an impressive 4.6 mm when unfolded, making it one of the thinnest foldable phones available. The Mate X6 boasts two high-quality OLED displays, a 6.45-inch external screen for quick access and tasks, and a stunning 7.93-inch internal display that unfolds into a tablet-like experience. Both displays support adaptive refresh rates from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth visuals while optimizing battery life. The device's durability is enhanced by its water drop-shaped hinge, crafted from aerospace-grade materials, which provides a seamless and robust folding mechanism. Under the hood, the Mate X6 is powered by the Kirin 9020 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and an impressive 1 TB of internal storage, ensuring exceptional performance for multitasking, gaming, and intensive applications. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate its advanced camera system, which includes a 50MP primary sensor with a 10-stop physical aperture for versatile shooting, a 40MP ultra-wide-angle lens for expansive shots, and a 48MP telephoto macro camera capable of 4x optical zoom. This comprehensive setup delivers outstanding image quality across diverse scenarios. Battery life is another strong point, with the Mate X6 equipped with a 5110 mAh battery that supports 66W wired and 50W wireless fast charging, allowing for prolonged usage and rapid recharge times. Running on Huawei's HarmonyOS Next, the Mate X6 offers a smooth, intuitive user experience with features optimized for foldable displays, such as multitasking and split-screen functionality. Its sleek design, combined with its powerful specifications and versatile features, positions the Mate X6 as a leader in the premium foldable smartphone segment. With its innovative approach to design and functionality, the Huawei Mate X6 sets a new benchmark for what foldable smartphones can achieve.